Guys.
I got two brother and that is toys assemble.
Yeah, so what we talking about today?
This one, little one.
Avenjet Space Adventure. It's the third parter, okay? Because we're going to build Hyperion and his little spaceship, okay? Yeah? Norton, you want to come join us, please? Alright. The gang's all here. So let's open it up.
And I have Lauren.
Hi, Lauren. Welcome to our show.
Hello, and Lauren.
That's right. Oh, that's Mommy's egg, okay?
And I want.
The booklet for our instruction and a little comic book, and you can play with Spider UK.
But you don't break it.
Yeah, hope you don't break it. Oh, here's all the pieces, okay? Keep it away from Norin. We don't want him to accidentally eat it, okay, Parker?
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is like a shell. Like a shell.
Yeah? You wanna build it?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead. What do you want to build first? You want to build Hyperion?
Yeah.
Where's Hyperion? You see him?
I see the body.
Okay, you want to put the body together?
Which way is it? Here?
Up to you. Do the way you like it. Oh, where's his cape? Do you have a cape? No cape? Maybe it's in here. I don't see a cape. Okay. Are you done with Hyperion? Some really nice colored bits. Where is his hair? You want to know where's his hair? Oh, it's in this bag. So I guess we have to open up both bags.
Well, I don't see.
See the hair? Right there.
Huh?
I see his hair right here.
Okay. Why do you need the hair?
Everybody needs hair, except if you're Norin. Right, Norin? Joke. I'm sorry. Too soon. It's too soon. Oh, thank you. Da.
I got this. Like this?
I got this.
I like this?
Yeah, that's nice. Show people. Show people. Higher. That's Hyperion. He's Marvel's version of Superman. Okay, so for the his spaceship, what do we need? What do we need? What color is that one?
Red.
This is red. Gray. So here's your gray. And then how many of these do we need?
2.
One.
Why?
So it says one only.
How about this?
There's more? Yeah, maybe we'll do it for later. What else? What else do we need?
Here.
What else do we need, baby?
Put it together.
Put it together? Are you making your own design?
Yeah, I'll put it.
Oh, okay. Make your own design.
No. You make your own design.
Alright. What else do we have?
The blaster.
What else do we need?
This is the blaster. Pew, 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 pew. Look that. I'm building a toy.
You're building it.
Pew, pew, shh, pew. Daddy, look that. Pew,
Oh, yeah.
pew. Pew.
So what else do we need? We need these. And then this big one.
Big one?
So I found the big one. Did you find this one?
Big one?
Yeah. Did you find it? I think I found it.
One.
I found one.
This one.
Yeah. No, that's not the same.
This one.
Yeah, that may be it. I think you got it. Okay, so what do we do? Where's the other piece that you build? This one? Okay, what you want to do with it? How do you want to put it on? Like that?
Yeah, you put it in this.
Okay, put it on. Okay, one more.
Like that.
Yeah, good. And then one more.
No, it's not.
No, it's too small for Norton.
Which one?
It's too small for Norton.
But the big, this one is not.
So that's Hyperion. Pretty cool looking.
And yeah.
Missing the cape though. Okay, what else we got?
This one.
So now we put it on here.
Put there.
Right there.
Here?
Does it fit that way?
Like
Or that
this.
way? I think that way would be best. Yeah,
Oh, it
just like
goes
here.
on.
On top, baby.
Why?
There you go. Good job.
It's like a blaster.
It's like a blaster now.
Pew, pew, pew.
Okay, what next? So we need this one next.
I found one.
You found it? Okay, put it on.
Well,
Here, Norm.
so,
Put it on this one, the long one. You see the long one here?
here, like this.
Mm-hmm. There you go. That's the one. Oh, Parker, is that the right piece though? I don't think that's the right piece, huh? I think you want this one. This one.
What is this?
Is it the same? Look, is it the same?
No,
No. Which one is it then?
this one.
There you go. Yeah, here's one more for you.
Oh, put those in the bottom.
Here, Norm, you can play with this one. You want to play with this one? Oh, I know it's fall. Here, play with that one.
I need help.
You need help.
Yeah.
Like that. You see? There you go.
Oh, that.
Oh, do you want to get it for Norman? Thank you. Our star is taking a break to help out his brother. Oh, thank you. Say thank you, Coco. Thank you, Coco. Did you find it for Norman?
Hello.
Hello, I'm Hyperion.
I'm Hyperion.
Alright. Okay, what else do we need now? We need that purple one, a yellow, and that one.
I
Okay,
found one.
put it on then.
Where I put it?
Got this one for you. I have this one for you. And then we need a blue one. We need a blue
I
flat
found
one.
one.
Is that the one? Yeah, that's the one.
Where I put
Where
it?
do you put it?
In there.
Okay, let's do that then.
Here?
Yeah, I think you got it. And then where do you want to put the yellow? In the side here?
Yeah.
Yeah, you do it.
You need two.
I need two? Alright,
Yeah.
two.
Not this. This is not a
That's
little.
Spider-Man UK.
That's not a little.
That's not Lego, that's correct. Hmm? Yeah, that's good. Show people where you're at. Show it down like that. That. See? It's starting to look like the ship. Okay. Where we want these guys?
This one is. This one is his.
That's his ship. Yeah. Where you want to put this?
Here.
Look at the picture. So,
Yeah.
Right here. Good. One more. Go ahead, sit down.
What happened?
He's trying to get up. Oh, it came off. Alright, good. You got it? Good. Now we need a red one. And then a white one. So white one on
Put
the other
it
side.
in it.
Yeah, put it in.
Put it to there too.
I think so. Put the red one here. And then the white one there. Yeah? Alright.
Yeah.
Oh, it's starting to look like it. Very nice. Show people. Yeah, just like the book.
Oh.
Oh, put it back.
Why? Why is it turn off?
Well, it's a Lego, that's why.
Oh no. Why don't it still turn off?
Okay.
Oh, why?
Put it back, baby. And then
Why
put
is
this
it
piece. This
coming?
will hold it on.
Huh?
If you put this one on, it will hold it better.
Put it like this.
Over here. Like the picture.
Here?
Yeah. So, see? The white one goes there.
Mommy, you don't play with this.
And then where you put the white one?
Here?
Yeah, exactly. Put
Here?
over the yellow. Over the yellow.
Here?
Yeah. There you go. Got it? It's on it? Does it fit?
No.
Doesn't fit?
No.
It should fit. Let's try it again. There you go. Okay, next page. Show people. Does it fall now? Doesn't fall now, right? Nope. And then we need,
See?
yeah. Oh, we need this one now.
Is it very nice?
Here you go. Turn it around. See? Flip it around. And then put this one on.
Here?
Mm-hmm. Oh, not that one. This one, baby. Yeah, put it on. In the middle. There you go. Almost. Turn it a little bit. Oh. Not that one, baby.
I did it.
Here. Here. There you go. Okay, flip it back.
Sounds real nice. That's real nice.
Okay, now what?
This one's real nice. This one, the
Okay, so we need a white bar.
white bar.
Yeah?
Here,
You see a white bar? No, not that one.
this one. Here, white bar.
Well, let's see. Oh, I'm sorry. We need a gray and two grays.
Aha!
You got a gray?
Look there. Look there. Look there. It's
Oh, there's no sweater, huh?
No. And a bib, too. He needs a bib.
Okay. Let's go upstairs. Let's get the kid's sweater while you change.
Alright.
Hi.
Alright, we'll come back in a little bit. See ya in part 3B. Okay?
Daddy,
We just
here?
finished part A of part 3.
Daddy,